I'm the principal of the School of Booze. Today's tutorial is about absinthe, or absinthe as the French would say. Absinthe is a spirit that's flavoured with aniseed and also herbs and spices. One of those herbs, it's actually a plant called wormwood, contains a compound called thujone. Now, in high concentrations, that can lead to hallucinations and convulsions. But in absinthe, it's in such low concentrations it wouldn't have any effect. The reason that absinthe was banned in many countries in the 19th century, never Britain by the way, was because of chronic alcoholism. People were drinking so much absinthe, which was up to 90% proof in those days, that they were getting the convulsions, the hallucinations that come through chronic alcoholism. So in fact, the culprit with absinthe was the level of alcohol and the overuse of the alcohol rather than the thujone. So no, absinthe doesn't make you hallucinate, but too much alcohol can do. That's the end of the tutorial, and at the School of Booze we can do our homework at the pub, and the textbooks are these. Now this is actually the same book. It's got a different cover, but the content is the same. You can buy this from my website, and I'll do a signed copy with my best fountain pen. Cheers!